Check out this video overview to connect Microsoft Power BI to Microsoft PowerPoint. Hello, this is Joseph from RollStack. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use RollStack to automate your data-driven slide decks and documents by simply embedding your visualizations and data coming directly from Power BI right into your PowerPoints. To begin, you can directly select the specific file you intend to use as your initial starting point, pulling it from either your OneDrive or SharePoint account. For your particular project, you will specifically be selecting the PowerPoint format. RollStack also offers comprehensive support for many other document formats, such as Google Slides, Google Docs, Word, and email. Once you have selected your template, RollStack will then show you the basic skeleton of your deck, and you'll find there are three main components that will assist you in building out these automated decks. First, you have the capability to embed various visualizations. In your specific situation, these will be coming directly from Power BI. Secondly, you can utilize artificial intelligence to help you craft compelling stories and narratives, all derived from that data. And then lastly, you are able to add in different variables. Variables are simply elements such as the most recent update date. The RollStack can automatically append any elements you wish, precisely where you want them in your presentation deck. Now first, we'll commence the process by integrating various visualizations. The very first step involves selecting your primary data source. For your purposes, this will specifically be Power BI. RollStack, however, also supports a wide array of other data sources, such as Excel, Tableau, Looker, and numerous others. Following that, your next action is to choose your desired dashboard. For this particular example, we'll proceed by selecting the Opportunity Analysis dashboard. And then, just like on any Power BI dashboard, you can interact with it, you can navigate, you can enter your filters. The only difference is that any filters you select will be saved. From this point, RollStack provides you with the option to choose a different dashboard or individual visualizations within your current dashboard. This demonstrates the precise level of detail and control that RollStack offers when you're selecting various elements from your dashboard. In this particular instance, we will be selecting these two specific visualizations that we intend to bring onto our slide. Next, we'll click Confirm, and this is where it gets interesting. RollStack provides you with the option to bring those as a Power BI visualization or to convert them into native PowerPoint charts. When you select this option, the charts will be generated using your branded template, your font, colors, and so on, but also with the underlying Excel file. This is useful if you need to make any data changes. Or if you want to analyze and break down your data in various ways, RollStack provides you with all of those flexible options. For instance, in this particular scenario, let's assume we have a strong preference for the Power BI layout. Once we click the Save button, RollStack will then automatically proceed to integrate all of those visual elements for us, placing them right into our presentation deck. RollStack has completed its update and we'll now open our PowerPoint to see the final result. As you can clearly see here, the visualizations were incorporated as separate elements. They are rendered in a very high quality, and any formatting you apply to the deck will be saved and preserved during all subsequent updates. From here, you don't have to do anything else. You can schedule your decks to update whenever you want, according to the method of your choice, schedule frequency of your choice, and the time of your choice. These will be delivered directly in your drive or directly to you via email, other communication channels. Hope this was useful. For more details, visit us at rollstack.com. Visit rollstack.com and start your free trial today.